ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੁਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੁਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਹਾਂਜੀ Do you remember what we talked about yesterday? We talked about the letters from my daughters. And did you do what we talked about yesterday? Did you apply that in your life yesterday? That is what it all counts. Gurbani, the most love-filled, filled with compassion, the wisest, ever true. We take their advice. And the value of their advice is in whether we apply that advice to our daily lives or not. If we don't apply those what we are talking about every day, then did we really sit with the wisest, the truest, love-filled, compassionate being? Did we really sit with him? Did we really listen to him? Did we really do what he told us? We must become engaged in the business of becoming most beautiful, authentic beings. This is all it's about. Practical. Before sitting together, it's of extreme importance that we do meditation before that, so that we become silent within enough to receive what he tells us. And while listening to, we should remain focused in between the eyebrows. Karta so salahiya jin kita aakar. Here Maharaj is saying that everything has been created by our beloved who is dwelling within, and we should ever remain grateful to him. Now, please understand this. Gurbani is so splendid. The splendor of Gurbani lies that it induces a flow of thoughts covering a wide range of subjects. That whatever Maharaji says, it's not just what he says. The beauty is that Gurbani induces, I repeat, Gurbani induces a flow of thoughts covering a wide range of subjects. So we should stop here and think about what he has said. And we would, many different thoughts will come to us that I should be thankful for this, I should be thankful for this, I should be thankful for this, I should be thankful for this. This is so whenever we hear any line of Gurbani, we should stop, close our eyes, and feel the thoughts that line creates in us. Those thoughts would be of wide range. We should, if possible, the whole family should eat together, and after eating, we should ask our children, what and what do you feel you are grateful for? And then we should lead them that we should be grateful to Him for blessing us with human body, with hands, feet, legs, eyes, all that. We should be grateful that He has given this house to us. And you should be, if Father is saying, then you should be grateful that how much your mom loves you and how lovingly he cooks for you and feeds you. And the mom can say that you should feel very grateful to your dad that he teaches you so precious things every day and loves you. So these are just hints. Immediately, starting from this moment, starting from when we started this talk, we would start becoming more and more beautiful every day. More and more beautiful every day. That's the name of the game. And the life would start feeling such a blessing, not a burden, not anxiety filled, but so beautiful blessing. Yesterday we saw that every human heart desires to be accepted. It's for each and every one of us. We should make each other feel that they are needed. They're needed. By appreciating what they do, by appreciating how they help us. This thing, the feeling that they are needed, our children, even if they're grown up, the feeling amongst each other that we are needed, that makes us becoming more and more beautiful every day and becoming more precious being. And this keeps the life fresh. This keeps the relationships fresh. This keeps our children excited about life. And when we apply these things daily in our lives, If we apply what we talk about every day in our daily lives, then the children would see the glow on our faces, the glow of the love for them. They would feel the warmth in our mutual relations. The relationships would remain fresh. We all would remain so excited about life because we are becoming more and more beautiful every day. So we have discussed today about how Gurbani induces thoughts in us covering very wide range of subjects, and we should think about those. We should apply Maharaj's advice immediately, every day in our life. We should make sure that whomsoever we meet, people we live with, they must feel accepted, loved, and needed. Satgur seviye har man vasai, tithe pau kade na hoye. नानक आपे ही पत रखसी, कारज सवारे सोए. नानक आपे ही पत रखसी, कारज सवारे सोए. वाहिगुरु. रब रखा, रब रखा.